Want to know how to safely withdraw Bitcoin to your Ledger Nano? Here's a quick step-by-step. First, open your Ledger Live app on your computer or phone and make sure your Ledger Nano is connected and updated to the latest firmware. Go to the Receive tab, select Bitcoin, and verify the receiving address on your Ledger screen. Copy this address carefully. Next, log into the exchange or wallet where your Bitcoin is stored, head to the withdraw or send section, paste your Ledger Nano Bitcoin address and double check every character. Always confirm it matches exactly with the one on your Ledger device. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, select the correct BTC network, and confirm the withdrawal. Avoid rushing this step to prevent sending funds to the wrong chain. Once the withdrawal is complete, open Ledger Live and check your Bitcoin account. The funds will show up after a few confirmations on the blockchain. And that's it. You've safely withdrawn Bitcoin to your Ledger Nano wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.